Instagram Google Smart Lock on your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. First, you will just go to the settings of your phone, and on the settings you will go directly to apps, and on apps you will search for your Instagram apps. As you see here, it's my Instagram apps. Then I will scroll down to storage, and what I can do right now, just I will click clear data. Then I will say yeah, okay, and that's it. It will fix your problem. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.